Hey, if you are looking to the Figma design to UI in Flutter, so this is the best video for you, and I'm sure at the end you will be able to develop the design into convert the design into Flutter UI. So basically I am creating the multiple screens just like the header, just like a similar, and this is my Figma designs. So I'm here I'm building these fields and the simple UI design, these fields and card and text, number text fields, and then text and button. So let's start it. And so I have a file transfer2.dart, and in this file I am just going to import the material widgets, and then stateful widget stf, and as enter it will automatically create. So we have the scaffold and column, and then column has a property to the children, and in the children we have the multiple containers. So in this button it is the top of the screen. So first we create the button of the screen. This is the properties of the button, and height, weight, and then color, etc. So let's start it. And we have the erase button top, and you notice that we have text and an icon simultaneously. So we are putting it the erase button dot icon. In this property we are able to use the icon parameter. So in the icon parameter we are going to the arrow back iOS. So text is the back, and then the style back is the back styling. Text styling is this. Text styling font weight is 600 and size is 14, and we are putting this 14 font weight and font weight dot bold. Okay, so 600 is the bold. Basically we count in Flutter. Text. So we are going to transfer and PayPal, and you can show at the top of the screen the button which has the arrow and the back text. So I'm just constant to reduce the wording, and just horizontal. Okay, I am just padding the overall padding. It's a horizontal and vertical. I am padding it. I am not here. Notice that I am padding only the container because in the container, and I am padding the container and on top, and then right, horizontal, and then vertical goes to the vertical, and there's the x-axis and y-axis concepts. Okay, notice that my button size is not normal, so it's not a similar. So I am just going to the trace button. Into the raise button we just putting the padding here, and age insets dot symmetric. Symmetric basically counts the horizontal and the vertical. Horizontal is the x-axis and vertical is the y-axis. So okay, horizontal is a 15 because vertical is 15 or 12 also. So it is out of the size. I am just getting back, and this is like similar. Okay, but on press button we are going to the navigator dot pop, because we have to navigate previous. So container, in the container we have a text. The second number is a transfer text in this page. So we are going to build a text which name is transfer. So we put the similar padding. Each container has a similar padding of it. Okay, so text is here, and transfer text properties goes to the properties, and watch it here. Size is 24, and weight is a 600. As I told you, 600 weight is count as a bold in the filter. So front size is 24 and font weight is bold. Okay, so this is very much similar to the design, my design. Okay, so just copy the container and paste it here because I have the same text in the bottom. Third number is a text for PayPal, and because above transfer text is similar, simple, and the below text is have a color. So I am just giving it a color, and this is now appearing. This color is same. Okay, so copy it from the font size and put it here. Remove to the bold, and this size is very much similar to this. So we are just going to here the size box here, and copying, and the number of the and this is a text color, and we are just putting the text color in here. As you notice that 0x and ff is a base of your color. You can put your hexa code after the 0xff and 0x here, and watch the font size. Font size is 24, and I am just giving it to 24, and font bold is similar. You can see this is the font size here. Okay, so just I'm copying the size box because all the divider it here in the thickness is 2 divider thickness is 2, and indent and indent basically shows to the right corner, and indent basically shows the left corner padding. So and indent is 2020 because we have some space. So let's check it. This is the space between start and the end. If I comment it, and you can see that this is the full mark of divider. If I uncomment this, so you can notice this is an indent, right is an indent. You notice that this part is in the center. I want to pad it to this corner, left corner. So we are just putting as a cross axis alignment in the column. We have the cross axis alignment as a horizontal. So I'm just want the horizontal padding. So I am just cross axis alignment dot start. As I save it, you can see this is my. It automatically pad to left. Okay, so we are going to the next thing and putting the size box here. Okay, size is 10 and size box is 10. I am just putting it the const because it is given to me a warning. Okay. Sure. Okay, the size box have settled down, and the next thing we have the hot text also, the select wallet text. Okay, so select wallet text is quite similar. This property is similar. So I am just copying this container from PayPal and putting it into copying it and just putting it into the last after the divider. Okay, so I'm just change the text, select wallet. Okay, has been developed. So next part of the half screen. So here we are going to make the widget, because I have the multiple screens similar header with similar header. So I am just put it common file and creating a import the package and creating a class, static class, and then name as a transfers common, and it here and paste it here. Okay, so here we notice just telling you guys in this the one scaffold at a time, so you can't put two scaffold at a time. So remove the scaffold column into here and just save and import it, and into the column import it and just call it transfer common. Just call it and save it. It will be remain same as the previous.